So helping retailers engage more often and more effectively. From ServiceDock, please welcome Ushan.
Hey, thanks, Jeremy. Ushan Ryan, CEO and founder of ServiceDock. So I'm betting most of you use WhatsApp to communicate with friends and family, and you do that in a way that you never did with the likes of email, Twitter, or Facebook. So messaging connects people in a way that social media never has. And hopefully in 2 minutes' time, you'll see how critical it can be for the future success of physical stores. So ServiceDock is a messaging app that makes it easy for store staff to communicate with local customers via popular messaging channels like WhatsApp, Google's business messages, Facebook Messenger, web chat, and more. And we do that for sales, service, and feedback. So key thing to note here is that we're not asking your customers to download a new app. They use the apps they already have on their phones, our web chat, and your staff use one simple app to reply, the ServiceDock app, and hopefully you can see that on your screens right now. So as usual, I'm sure you want to know, how do we add value? What's the point? So basically, we can help you do things like drive footfall by increasing the conversion rate of local search results to store visits. And we do that by leveraging Google's new business messages solution. We can help you improve in-store conversion rates by breaking down the barriers between staff and customers before they enter the store. Staff can even send videos showcasing products to start the sales process remotely, really apt at this time. We can help you improve customer experience and monitor the customer's perception of your social distancing measures by capturing real-time customer feedback via messaging and delivering insights directly to store managers so they can actually take action locally. And on top of all that, our live dashboard delivers oversight, insight, and customer data to the head office. That can help you improve customer acquisition costs online and chain-wide customer experience and lots more. So store messaging was going to become the norm eventually anyway, in my opinion. But the way it solves so many of the problems caused by social distancing measures means now is the time to implement it. And ServiceDock is a light solution. It's easy to use, purpose-built for retail chains, and we also offer a free trial. So basically, it's a very easy thing to test in a few stores and decide for yourself if it adds value, and be happy to talk a bit more about it in the booth. Thank you.
Cool. I'm interested though. I mean, messaging's been around for a long time. You sort of alluded to it there in terms of COVID, but why do you think retailers should be implementing this sort of stuff now?
Yeah, so I think the first thing I'd say is everyone's using it, as you just said. Grannies, teens, everyone's on a messaging app of some description. Secondly, if you haven't already heard of Google's business messages, I think you should acquaint yourself with it as a retailer, because it's really going to drive adoption of messaging in stores as a channel in the way that only Google can, I suppose. It basically works the exact same way as the click to call button, but it's a click to message button, and it gives the customer direct access to your store staff via messaging. And but I suppose, look, it is really social distancing that's the driver right now. Some retailers have reported to us that they've seen a 20-fold increase in customer contact because people are looking to be reassured, do you have X, Y, and Z product? Before they kind of run the gauntlet of queues and masks and what have you. So we make it easy. Messaging makes it easy for both the store and the staff member. And look, the final thing I'd say is we're really only playing catch up on this. The likes of China and Brazil have been doing this sort of stuff for quite a while. And the decision is really, do you want to be an early adopter and reap the benefits, or maybe wait and see and miss out on that opportunity?
Okay, very clear, and lots to talk about in the booth there.